Hey guys, so this is the Makita drill driver, brushless drill driver, and pay attention that the batteries are actually not included in the packaging. So if you want to use it right when you receive it, you need to purchase additional batteries. And what's super important that it's actually 18 volts drill driver, right? So pay attention on the batteries. If you're getting them, you need to get 18 volts. Other than that, this is pretty much a common thing. Just like all of them, I will try to turn it on so there is a light, right, to make your life a bit easier in some dark places. You can also change the direction of the work. You can change the strength from the drill, or let's say you can go to 21 and there's the lowest power which you can actually hold with your hand. And if you want to undo it, it's pretty easy. Just screw it here. This goes out, replace with some other end, and you're good to go. The batteries themselves, they actually show how much power they have, and if you want to change them, that is pretty easily as well. So definitely do recommend as a tool for your home. You will be able to do a lot of things much faster, and this is a good quality product.